Peterson's Career Prep is a career preparation and transitions resource available through Gale. Peterson's, who partners with Gale to offer career prep, is an educational services company known for its services to students seeking higher education. Peterson's Career Prep includes features and tools for building resumes, finding a career, and getting advice for the career-seeking process. To access this resource, start at the Danvers Library website, www.danverslibrary.org. Click on the research icon. In the Research and Services box, select eLibrary by subject. From there, jump to the Careers section, then click on Peterson's Career Prep. If this is your first time using Peterson's Career Prep, you'll need to create an account to access any content. If you have an account, you'll need to log in. On the home page are the three major features of Peterson's Career Prep: create a resume, find a career, and advice. From the navigation bar, we can access FAQs about account management and tech support for any difficulties with the site. If we click on Create from Create a Resume, we'll go to Visual CV, a tool for crafting resumes. For technical help and tips on crafting great resumes, head to Visual CV's Knowledge Center by opening the drop-down menu from My Account and selecting Knowledge Center. From the dashboard, we can start a new resume, cover letter, or resume website. In this session, we'll review the Resume tool. When we click Create a new resume, we can copy an existing resume, import a resume from our computer, or start from scratch. We can also use sample content to help us get started with wording. Starting from scratch, we select a template. Now we can fill in information, change fonts and colors, reorder sections, and add and remove sections. From the sidebar, we can open up History if we want to restore an older version of the document. To preview the resume, click Preview. To download the finished resume, use the Download drop-down menu. To return to the dashboard, click on the Visual CV logo. Back on the Peterson's Career Prep homepage, clicking on Find a Career takes us to Peterson's Pathway U, the career planning tool. On the My Journey page, Peterson's presents a step-by-step map to finding a career, from learning about yourself to finding career matches to applying for jobs. In order to access most resources in this feature, we need to complete the Interests and Values assessments. The assessments are multiple choice. After completing at least the first two assessments, we can view career matches. We can view them by subject, or open the View option for all careers and search for specific careers. We can mark a career as a favorite to quickly find it later in our favorites list. On a career's profile page, we can view details on general duties, related education programs, and various requirements for job success. The Jobs page from the navbar draws from the job board's website, Indeed. Search these boards using keywords and the filters to find relevant postings. From the Peterson's Career Prep homepage, clicking on Advice takes us to the Guidance modules. These modules address specific steps and questions in the job-seeking process. Many supplement information from the Visual CV and Pathway U resources mentioned earlier. Let's view an example. Each module is a self-paced walkthrough featuring advice and information. Navigate through the module with the arrows, or jump to a section using the sidebar. Now you know how to access and use Peterson's Career Prep. If you want to learn more or have any questions, our reference staff are happy to help. Visit www.danverslibrary.org for contact information.